welcome to Red Ted Art. First things first, subscribe to the channel. Now, today we're going to make some rainbow looms bouncy balls. They're really fun and they're really easy to make, and they're a great way to use up all your leftover loom bands. Now, what you need is lots of loom bands. I actually start these off using a broken bracelet, but you can just start off with these, just bunch them up together and start wrapping. But if you use a broken bracelet, that's a great way to use that up as well. So what I do is you take your broken bracelet and then you literally start, I always take 2 at a time, and then you start wrapping, twist and round. Now the reason I take 2 at a time is because otherwise it does take ages. You can do 1 at a time, so twist and round, but it will take a while. So I'm going to do 2 at a time. And at the beginning I just take any old colour because I'm using them all up, but then as the ball starts getting a bit thicker, I start picking out just a sort of certain colour coordination, so to speak. So you can see these different ones: orange, red and white, light blue, dark blue and white, green, yellow and white. And this time I'm going to do a pink, purple and white one. But you can, if you want, obviously do a multicoloured one like this one that my daughter started working on, and I think they look really nice too. It's really just a question of preference. I quite like the multicoloured ones. So let's carry on. Also, as you're doing this, make sure you go round and round and round, because if you keep doing them on the same spot, you'll end up with sort of like an oval ball, and obviously you want a round ball. So just keep varying the direction that you're adding your loom bands from. Now I'm going to speed up the video, and then when the ball's a little bit bigger, I'm going to slow it down again and show you what we do next. Right, now what I'm starting to do is I'm just taking 2 and popping them over rather than twisting it, because the ball's already a bit bigger. And the good thing about doing that is 2 things. One is you're stretching the elastics less, so that means that there's more elastic in the rubber band, so there's more bounce. That's the first thing. And the second reason is that the elastics are less stretched, therefore you see the colours a bit better. So as you get your ball a bit bigger, instead of doing the twist, you just put it over the top, and you can see I'm still kind of going round and round to kind of vary, where they're all coming from. I think I'm starting to run low on my purples and pinks, but that's okay because I think my ball is going to be finished soon. And then once I'm sort of close to finishing, I do add a couple of the double twisted bands on it. The reason I add a couple of double twisted bands right at the end is to kind of like help secure them in place a bit. Because to be honest, these little balls are really fun to play with, but you will occasionally, a few of the elastics will come off. It's not the end of the world. You pick them up, you put them round again. So it's not really a problem. Just anticipate it. You can also make these from really big rubber bands. In fact, that's how I used to make them when I was younger. I used to use those brown packaging elastics. But I think loom bands are much better. They're so colourful and fun. So there, I think I'm almost done. So now we're coming to the end. I'm just going to put a couple of double ones because they'll be on a bit more securely. It just helps keep it all in place a bit better. Let's see, one more, and I think then I'm done. Let's put it that way. And there you have your very own super colourful bouncy ball. Aren't these fun? We love them. Now, don't forget to subscribe to Red Ted Art, and we hope to see you here again soon. Bye!